Hi, in this video, we will compare Surfer SEO and Page Optimizer Pro. Both Surfer SEO and Page Optimizer Pro are on-page SEO tools that help you optimize your website content to rank higher in search results. Surfer SEO is on-page SEO optimization and competitor analysis. If you prioritize in-depth competitor analysis, on-page SEO optimization, and data-driven content planning for higher rankings, then Surfer SEO is best. Page Optimizer Pro is a powerful set of tools for SEOs and content teams to help create, optimize, and maintain high-performing content for Google with speed and accuracy. If your primary focus is optimizing existing content with a data-driven approach and clear action steps, then Page Optimizer is best. On Surfer SEO, you can generate briefs with catchy headlines in seconds. Write and optimize content in any language. Ensure the authenticity of your article and avoid potential penalties. Surfer SEO also allows you to integrate with Google Docs, WordPress, Jasper, and more. Surfer SEO does not just generate articles, it also generates traffic. Surfer SEO gives you a 7-day free trial with each plan and starts at $89 per month. On the other hand, Page Optimizer Pro has the features of an AI writing assistant. Page Optimizer Pro writers can work in 62 languages. Page Optimizer Pro Schema is a tool to make optimizing your page schema a breeze. Uncover the schema markup your top competitors are using, and then generate the perfect custom schema for you with a single click. Watchdog monitors and alerts you when page factors change and what actions to take to regain your losses. Page Optimizer Pro Content Editor allows you to optimize your web page with risk-free one-page optimization. Page Optimizer Pro also provides a one-page SEO checker to see how your website pages stack up against competitors. Page Optimizer Pro also gives you a 7-day free trial with each plan and starts at $34 per month. If you want to use both Surfer SEO and Page Optimizer Pro for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.